In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Flixier account. Before deleting your account, it is very important to make sure that you have cancelled any active subscriptions, as deleting the account without doing this may cause issues with billing. To start, log into your Flixier account and go to the left-hand side menu. Click on the Settings and Billing option. Once you are inside the billing section, open the Subscription tab. From here, downgrade or cancel your active subscription if you currently have one. Make sure this step is completed before moving forward. After cancelling your subscription, click on your profile icon located at the top right-hand corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the page. At the bottom right-hand side, you will see the Delete Account option. Before Flixier allows you to delete your account, you must have a password set. If your account does not already have a password, you will be prompted to create one. Without setting a password, you will not be able to proceed with account deletion. Once your password is set, click on the Delete Account option. You will then be asked to enter your account password to confirm the action. Flixier will also display a warning message informing you that your account will no longer be accessible and that all your data will be permanently deleted. Review this message carefully, and if you are sure, click on Delete Account to confirm. After confirmation, your account will be deleted successfully, and you will see a message indicating that the process is complete. And this is how you can delete Flixier account.